Understanding blockchain and the Web3 is a new digital foundation. Blockchain is like a sophisticated shared digital ledger. Many people around the world can have a copy of this book. It is designed to record any digital transaction or interaction. These records are grouped into blocks of information. Once a block is complete, it is linked to the previous block. This process of linking creates a chain of blocks, hence the name blockchain. This chain is secured using strong cryptography. Therefore, it is very difficult to change any information once it has been recorded. This makes blockchain a trusted and transparent system for keeping records. The web is the next evolution of the internet. It is often called the centralized web. The main idea of the Web3 is to give users more control. On the current internet, often called the Web 2, large companies control most of the data and platforms. Web3 aims to change this. Web3 is built on principles such as openness, user ownership of data, and decentralization. Imagine an internet where your personal information is truly yours. This shared view helps reduce errors and the possibility of fraud. Blockchain acts like a trusted global ledger for all types of financial activities. Many banks and financial institutions are now exploring how blockchain can improve their legacy systems. The technology has the potential to make financial operations faster, cheaper, and more efficient. Cryptocurrencies are perhaps the most well-known use of blockchain technology. Bitcoin and Ethereum are well-known examples. They are forms of digital money. People can send and receive cryptocurrencies directly to each other. They do not necessarily need a traditional bank to act as an intermediary. Every cryptocurrency transaction is recorded on its respective blockchain. This process makes transactions secure and transparent to participants. Many individuals use cryptocurrencies to make payments. Others see them as a new type of investment. Cryptocurrencies represent a new class of financial assets born from blockchain innovation. Smart contracts are another great application of blockchain in finance. These are essentially computer programs that live on the blockchain. They automatically execute the terms of an agreement when certain conditions are met. Think of them as automated digital contracts. For example, a smart contract could automatically issue a payment to a supplier once a delivery is confirmed. This automation could eliminate the need for multiple intermediaries. This automation can make business deals faster and more reliable. Smart contracts have the power to transform many financial processes, making them more efficient and trustworthy. Smart contracts are a key tool for building automated financial systems. Sending money across international borders is often a slow and expensive process. Traditional banking systems involve many intermediaries. Each of these add costs and delays. Blockchain technology offers a solution to improve these cross-border payments. Blockchain can make international money transfers much faster, sometimes reducing transaction times from days to minutes. Blockchain can also significantly reduce the fees involved. Transactions can happen more directly between sender and recipient. These efficiencies are a huge benefit to international trade and business. They also help individuals sending money to support their families in other countries, ensure more of their money gets to its destination. The core strength of decentralization and enhanced security. Decentralization is a core concept of blockchain technology. It means there is no single central point of control. Instead, control and decision-making are distributed among many participants in the network. In a blockchain system, the digital ledger is copied and distributed across many computers. No one person, company, or government owns or controls the entire network. This distributed nature makes the system very robust and resilient, making it very difficult for a single entity to manipulate or shut down the system. This is a fundamental change from the traditional centralized system where one authority holds all the power. The benefits of decentralization are significant. For the financial industry, decentralized finance, often referred to as DeFi, aims to create a more open and accessible financial system. More people around the world can access financial services even if they don't have access to traditional banks. Decentralization also makes the system more resistant to censorship. It is harder for any authority to unfairly block or reverse transactions. This can lead to greater financial freedom. Furthermore, decentralization increases the resilience of the financial system. If one part of the network experiences a problem, the rest of the network can continue to operate smoothly. Blockchain technology is known for its strong security features. It uses advanced cryptography to protect the data recorded in it. Each transaction is usually secured with a digital signature that verifies its authenticity. Once a block of transactions is verified and added to the chain, it is virtually impossible to change or delete it. This property is known as immutability. This means that the records on the blockchain are permanent and can be trusted. Because data is distributed across many computers, hackers need to compromise a large number of computers simultaneously to successfully attack a very difficult network. This combination of decentralization and strong security helps build trust in the financial system. Participants can trust the integrity of the records on the blockchain, even though they do not know each other personally. The transparency of many blockchains where transactions are publicly visible even though identities can be pseudonymous also contributes to this trust. Openness makes it difficult for bad actors to hide illegal activity. This increased trust is critical to financial interactions. It paves the way for new types of collaboration and financial services that do not rely on traditional intermediaries. To build trust, secure and transparent systems are the foundation for a healthy financial ecosystem. WebD's financial frontier is charting a course for the future. WebD has the potential to usher in a new era for finance. This emerging landscape is often referred to as decentralized finance or DIFI applications aim to reimagine traditional financial services using blockchain technology. These services can include lending, borrowing, trading, insurance, and more, all without relying on banks or old-style financial institutions. New and innovative financial products can be developed and deployed quickly on this open platform. The main advantage is that these services are often accessible to anyone with an internet connection, driving greater financial inclusion globally. This is a rapidly growing field. We are already seeing real-world examples of Web3 transforming finance today. Decentralized exchanges, known as DEXs such as Uniswap, allow users to trade cryptocurrencies directly with each other. This happens without the need for a central company to hold funds or process their trades. Lending and borrowing platforms, such as AV and Compound, allow users to lend their digital assets to earn interest. They can also borrow assets by providing collateral. These platforms operate on smart contracts deployed on blockchains such as Ethereum. These platforms are typically open to anyone, creating a global, permissionless financial market. This is an early but powerful demonstration of the capabilities of the web tier. Web tier's technology aims to empower individuals by giving them more control over their financial lives. People can actually own and manage their digital assets directly. They can do this without the need for permission from a bank or other financial intermediary. This is often described as self-financial sovereignty. Web tier could also provide easier access to global financial markets. This is especially important for individuals in areas underserved by traditional financial institutions. The tools built on WebTria can help people save, invest, and transact in new ways. This drives greater financial independence and participation for many people around the world. In closing, blockchain and WebTria are technology trends. They are fundamental building blocks for a much better financial future. They offer increased transparency, greater security, and encourage decentralization. They shift control to users and communities. This revolution has the potential to make the global financial system more open. It can also make it fairer and more accessible to more people. Understanding these powerful changes is important for everyone. They are actively shaping the next generation of financial services and interactions. The journey into this new world of finance is just beginning. Yeah,